ekwere mmadụ ndị a na-egbu ya yila Biafra na ya bịara ebe a laghachi ha ọsọ. So this is what Biafrans are doing. They are treating us bad, so they have to go. We don't want them here. We don't want such people in this Igbo, anything concerning Igbo here. They have to go. They have to go. We are Biafrans. If you're Biafran, you have to go. Look at it, a foolish man, stupid man. Stupid man. Look at him. Look at him, stupid man. Look at him, he's a useless man. He's running. He's running. He's running. He's running. He's running. He must come out. He must come out. Go. He must go. We don't need you here. We don't need you. He must go. Their friends are telling him to go. He must go. He must live here. He must live here.